What is your favorite Thai food?
What is your favorite food? Basic.
Pad Thai?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite Thai food?
I think I like som tam.
Som Tom?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite Thai food?
I like tom yum goong.
Tom Yum?
Tom yum goong.
Oh, okay. How about you?
Som tam.
Som Tom?
Tam.
Okay. What's your recommendation for me as a foreigner to eat first?
เราจะแนะนำอะไรของคุณดู
ผัดไทยเพราะว่าไทยอร่อย ชอบมาก
Pad Thai?
Yeah.
I should to taste Pad Thai?
Yeah.
Okay. ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ What is your favorite Thai food?
ข้าวผัดกะเพรา
Khao Pad Thai? Khao Pad Thai?
ผัดกะเพรา
Okay. What's your favorite Thai food?
I like spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti is not Thai food.
คณะหมูกรอบ
Kanamuto. Okay. Thank you. What's your favorite Thai food?
favorite food Thai food is ผัดไทย
Pad Thai? How about you?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum soup. Food. Tom Yum soup?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Okay. How about you? What's your favorite Thai food?
ผัดไทย
Pad Thai.
ผัดไทย
Pad Thai the same?
Yes.
Okay. ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ What's your favorite Thai food?
ส้มต
Som Tom.
Yeah.
How about you?
ำต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum Ko?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
How to pronounce that?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Oh, Tom Yum Ko.
Yeah.
Okay. Swadhi Khap. Can I ask you one question?
Yes.
What's your favorite Thai food?
ส้มตำ
Som Tom?
สลัดต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
How about you?
fried rice
Fried rice. Yes, that's my favorite food. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ What's your favorite Thai food?
fried noodles with chicken
Fried noodles with chicken?
Yes.
How about you?
ส้มขาว
Som Tom. Thank you very much. What is your favorite Thai food?
ผัดไทย ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum?
ผัดไทย
Pad Thai?
ส้มต
Som Tom. ขอบคุณครับ
ำ
Thank you.
thank you thank you
Excuse me, what is your favorite Thai food?
ผัดไทย
Pad Thai?
ข้าวผัดปูข้าวผัดปู
Khao Pad Po. Oh, ขอบคุณครับ Excuse me, what's your favorite Thai food?
Thai food?
Yes.
My favorite Thai food. I'm not sure about it. Maybe.
You are not sure about what's your favorite Thai food?
Yeah, I'm not sure because Maybe Tom Yum Goong, do you know that?
Oh, Tom Yum Goong.
What is it?
And how about you?
ผัดกะเพราผัดกะเพรา
Pad
And
Krapow.
I also like Pad Thai, you know that?
Pad Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Excuse me, guy. What is your favorite Thai food?
Favorite Thai food
Yes.
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom Yum Goong.
Tom Yum Goong. How about you? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. What's your favorite Thai food?
Favorite Thai food?
Yes.
Papaya salad.
Papaya salad.
Yes. Papaya salad. And
Papaya salad.
Yeah.
Yes. How about you?
Chinese noodle.
Chinese food. No, I
Thai
asked
style,
about
Thai style
food.
Chinese noodle.
Okay. How about you?
like cheese same as cheese
Papaya salad. What's your favorite Thai food?
What?
What is your favorite Thai food?
It's Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. How about you?
แกงกะหรี่
What is that?
curry.
Oh, curry.
Yes.
Chicken curry.
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me, guys. What's your favorite Thai food?
ผัดไทยกะเพราหมูกรอบ
Pad Thai.
กะเพราหมูกรอบกะเพราหมูกรอบ
Krapow, Mugra. How about you? What's your favorite Thai food?
ต้มย
Tom Yum soup. What's your favorite Thai food?
Favorite Thai food?
Yes.
I would go for cow soy.
Outside.
ข้าวซอย
Yeah.
Okay.
Loving a good cow soy.
Thank you very much.
Try travel.
Thank you very much. What is your favorite Thai food?
Pad Krapow, Khao Man Gai.
Pad Krapow,
Common guy.
Common guy.
Yeah, and
Thank
Pad
you very
Krapow.
much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.